Good morning, children. How are you? Are you ready to write the notes? In the previous class, I completed 4 question and answers. Now you start writing 5th one. Now down 5th class. Lesson 1, question and answers. Already completed 4 question and answers. 5th one, note down all of you. Write neatly and correctly. W-H-A-T, what? W-E-R-E, were. What were? The ticket. The ticket. T-I-C-K-E-T. Ticket. Collector. C-O-L-L-E-C-T-O-R. Ticket collector. And A-N-D. And grandfather. G-R-A-N-D. Grand. F-A-T-H-E-R. Father. Arguing. Argue అంటే వాదించడం. A-R-G-U-I-N-G. Arguing about. A-B-O-U-T. About. What happened? What happened? H-A-P-P-E-N-E-D. Happened. What happened? In the end. చివరికి ఏమి జరిగింది? E-N-D, end అమ్మ. End అంటే చివర. చూడండి ఆన్సర్. Write neatly and correctly. The ticket collector. The ticket. T-I-C-K-E-T. Ticket collector. The ticket collector thought. T-H-O-U-G-H-T. Thought that. T-H-A-T. That grandfather. G-R-A-N-D. Grand. F-A-T-H-E-R. Father should pay. S-H-O-U-L-E. Should pay. P-A-Y. Pay. Should pay. Tutus. T-U-T-U-S. Tutus pay. కొన్నారేమో టికెట్ అనుకున్నట్టు టికెట్ కలెక్టర్. Tutus pay. As she was. She was. As she was. As big as. As big as. As big as a cat. A cat. And cats had. And cats had. H-A-D. Had. To be paid for. To be paid. P-A-I-D. Paid. P-A-I-D. Paid. F-O-R. For. యానిమల్స్కి అయినా సరే టికెట్ కొనుక్కోవాలని చెప్పి చెప్తున్నాడు అనమాట. Grandfather thought that thought T-H-O-U-G-H-T thought that T-H-A-T that he should not S-H-O-U-L-D should N-O-T not should not pay P-A-Y pay any A-N-Y any fare అంటే ఇక్కడ టికెట్ ఛార్జ్ అనమాట fare for to do T-U to do as she was as she was a baby B-A-B-Y baby and A-N-D and there was T-H-E-R-E there was W-A-S was N-O no charge C-H-A-R-G-E charge for babies B-A-B-I-E-S babies ఏమనుకున్నాడు పిల్లలు చిన్న చిన్నవే కదా యానిమల్స్కి టికెట్ కొనుక్కోక్కర్లేదు కదా అని అనుకున్నట్ట కానీ ఇక్కడ టికెట్ కలెక్ట్ ఏమంటున్నాడు కొనాల్సిందని చెప్పి వీళ్ళిద్దరూ వాదించుకుంటున్నారు అనమాట అది ఆర్గ్యూ అనేది grandfather had to pay P-A-Y pay 5 rupees 5 rupees R-U-P-E-E-S rupees as as Tutu's fare T-U apostrophe S Tutu's fare ఎంత చెల్లిస్తాను 5 రూపీస్ చెల్లిస్తానని చెప్తున్నాడు అనమాట నెక్స్ట్ 6th one slow down quickly slow down you first start writing that note down the 6th one then he gave grandfather grand G-R-A-N-D grand grandfather F-A-T-H-E-R father then he gave grandfather a trumpet T-R-U-M-P-H-A-N-T trumpet look L-O-O-K look gave, who gave. Ma, don't confuse it. Repeat the same word here. Don't jump from here to here. Write nicely. Who gave? Grandfather. Same words repeating. Grandfather. Father. Father. A trumpet. Trumpant. Trumpet. Look. And why. Question mark. Note down. Note down. Quickly note down. Note down the sixth answer, Amma. Here continues. Sixth answer. The ticket. Collector. 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 The ticket collector gave. 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 Grandfather. Grandfather. FATHER. Father. A from TRIUMPHANT. Trumpet. Look. 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 When grandfather. Grandfather. GRAND. Grandfather. FATHER. Father showed him. SHOWED. Showed him. Him. The tortoise. The TOISE. Tortoise. Write faster. Tortoise and asked. What he must pay for it. The ticket collector. The ticket. Ticket collector. The ticket collector recognized, recognized, recognized. The new animal, the new animal, animal, animal. And new, that as it was, it was not a dog, not a dog, comma, it did not, not, it did not need a ticket, ticket, ticket. You're done. You're done. Next, after that, you note down think and answer. Think and answer. First one. How do you know? How do you know? How do you know that grandfather, Amma, write fast, follow the blackboard. Liked animals, liked animals. And was kind, 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 to them, them, them. చాలా ఇష్టం కదా కుక్కలంటే, పిల్లులన్నా జంతువులన్నా. Answer. Because he had several, several, several unusual, unusual pets in the house. Like like white mice, white mice, white mice, and a tortoise, and a tortoise. Good on. Good on. Good on the homework. Read 1, 2 question and answers in answer in detail. Answer in detail. Note down this one, Amma. Previous class I gave notes to you. 1, 2, 3, 4 question and answers. Note down neatly and correctly. Note down quickly. Note down neatly and correctly. All of you write in the 4 lines books, all of you, and send work every day in the groups. Thank you very much.